How to fix WhatsApp file format is not supported issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix WhatsApp file format not supported issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, as the error suggests, the sole reason can be your file format is actually not supported. So for that, what you'll need to do is ask for the person who sent you that to send whatever they send you again. So if they sent you a picture, ask them to share again, and they can send it in another file format such as JPG or PNG, and ask them to do that first. If that obviously due to a bug. So to fix the bug, what we'll need to do is first we'll simply clear out the cache. To do that, open up your settings, go to General. On your General, you'll find iPhone storage. Tap on it. And on iPhone storage, here, simply scroll down and search for WhatsApp. So open up WhatsApp and offload the app. Tap on offload and offload it again. After you offload it, you'll see a reinstall option right here. Tap on reinstall and reinstall your WhatsApp. Doing that will clear out the cache on your WhatsApp. And that should actually fix the issue. Now, if that does not fix the issue, you'll need to update your app to the latest version. For that, open up your App Store, simply search for WhatsApp. And after you search for WhatsApp, check if there is an update available. So here, if you see an update button instead of open, tap on update and update your app. Doing that should fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.